This is activity 8.1, working with the Network and Sharing Center. We are going to view and configure features in the Network Sharing Center. So we've logged on to our server as the administrator. Now we need to click on the Network taskbar icon and click Network and Sharing. Okay, so let's go in this way. It's not down there. Network and Sharing Center. Alright, now we need to click on that computer. Click on the server. Okay, and now it gives us our computer screen. Okay, now let's go out of this and we'll click on the domain, and the network discovery is off by default. So unless it has been enabled, you won't see any computers on the network window that opens. So let's go ahead and close that, and let's click on the internet. And now that takes us out to the internet. It takes us into an Internet Explorer. Let's go ahead and close that. Let's click on the full map here. And network mapping has been disabled by default on domain networks. So we need to build a group policy that enables that. That's something that we'll do in the future, in the next activity. So let's go ahead and let's close that, and then we can click on the Customize button, and that's going to show us our domain right here. Location type, this is our domain, and you can change the icon to appropriate for the network type. Let's go ahead and click Cancel. And next, we can view our connection right here. So inside here, it gives us our information, our IP information, what kind of network card we're using. This is all virtualized, so it's not the actual physical NIC. You can go into the properties of your connection and configure whatever you need to configure in there. You can disable it, diagnose it. We're not going to do any of that though. And let's go ahead and under the sharing and discovery right here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go turn on the network discovery. So let's click on that, and then we're going to go turn on. We're going to hit apply. And then you'll notice once it gets done, it'll change to custom. So now let's go ahead and click on the domain, and you'll see that there are several other computers in here. And since this is on my home network, you will see that this computer is in work group. It does not belong to my domain that I have created here. Also, that other computer, the Windows 7 machine, is also not on because it is actually not on right now. It's not on this list. So let's go ahead and close this, and now let's click on Manage Network Connections. To make a shortcut to the Network Connections window, drag the network icon in the address bar to your quick launch toolbar. So let's go ahead and put this down here. So now we'll be able to go right into my network. My network's right there. My network card's right there, and that will make it so you can access them more quickly if need be. And that is activity 8.1, working with the Network and Sharing Center. Thank you.